It's your boy clocking in with another one. Man, today, man, I'm on a whole nother move, man. Boy, highs on the what out here too, man. But yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead. I'm about to start my Jeep Wrangler up, and I'm about to start my Impala, man. I ain't starting them joints for probably about 2-3 weeks, man. So I'm about to go ahead and get them joints started. I know the Impala, I probably had to jump that joint, man. The Impala, somehow that battery keep going dead, man. And in order to change the battery, I gotta take so much off to get to the battery. So that's the only reason I haven't changed the battery. Cause y'all already know I put new batteries in all my cars, man. But this car right here, man, I gotta take so much off to get to the battery, man. That joint crazy. And the battery that I had, the joint was too big. So I gotta get the correct one, man, for that Impala. That Impala be in the way, bro. Then it got that ticking noise. Y'all know that noise Impalas normally have. They with the heat in the air, the ticking noise. I got that noise, I got to fix. But other than that, man, that car good. That noise and the battery, that's good, man. And my Jeep Wrangler, man, I wired the I haven't wired the headlights since the signal lights up. The headlights good, but the signal lights ain't. I gotta get them joints wired up because I put the fender on, but I ain't wired everything up because I want somebody to wire my headlights into everything, man. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. I had made a whole video on putting them fenders on and all that, show you how to assemble them fenders together, man. But I somehow deleted the whole video, bro. That's the crazy thing, man. I deleted the whole video by mistake, man, because I was trying to edit 2 videos at one time, but needed space and started deleting videos and mess around and deleted the videos that I needed. That was crazy right there. But yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and get into this video, man. For all my newcomers, man, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, man. Turn all notification bells on, man. For all my subscribers, I appreciate all the love and support, man. But hey, I gotta get into this video, bro. I gotta go ahead and get these cars started. I probably take the Jeep for a spin. I probably take the Jeep and the Impala for a spin. I ain't gonna count. That's what I gotta do. I know I gotta rotate the tires on the Jeep, but it won't be today. But I'm gonna rotate the tires on the Jeep. I gotta put my plastic stuff in there. What you call it? The door seals, window seals, and all that stuff. I gotta put some new stuff around there because on my ceiling on the Jeep, that joint leaking, man. So I gotta go ahead and change that joint before it get worse. Like, I ain't gonna do nothing to the Jeep, but I'm just saying, I gotta get everything fixed. I don't like that, man. I don't like that leaking inside my vehicles, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that joint fixed. What else? That's about it, man. That's about it I gotta do to these vehicles right here, man. And of course, y'all know I'm taking the Tahoe off the road. I'm gonna put the Tahoe up. Go ahead and resurface my Tahoe, man. Cause like, since I had that Tahoe, bro, that guy been working, bro. When I say he been working, man. He been working. I ain't even gonna cap. T.U. been working, man. This head honcho, bro. T.U. been touring and pulling everything I got, bro. He the man. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get into the video, though, man. Like I said, man, for all my newcomers, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, turn all notification bells on, man. And for all my subscribers, I appreciate all the love and support. Oh, yeah. Make sure y'all comment 4,000 in the comments, man. Because, hey, I'm doing a drawing, man. As soon as I hit 4,000, man, I'm pulling names. I'm pulling my subscribers' name. I probably pick 2 or 3 subscribers, man, to win. But so y'all might want to go ahead and tune in, but all you need to do, comment 4,000 in the comments, man. 4,000, and make sure you're subscribers, and make sure you pass the word, man. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do to be part of the drawing, man. I'm telling you. That's all you got to do, but yeah, I got to get to the video. I'll get back. I bet. Oh, yeah, man. I forgot to tell y'all about my brother hats, man. These new Hummer Kids hats, man. Y'all hit Herbo up on Facebook and Crew Herbo, man. Get y'all hats, man, before he sell out, man. I got mine.
Tap in with the merch, Moves and Nephew. Tap in with Hummer Kids members. You know?
You guys talking about Hummer Kids members, man. I got a shirt on, man. He got mine on, so we promoting today. Y'all see what's going on. So yeah.
Me, I want what's coming.
the Jeep, I got this Dolph right here, man. This Dolph. My Jeep Wrangler Dolph, man. Yeah, it's all crazy right here. I don't know, I want to take these lights off and just run these joints right here, because like I got the signal light, the headlights, fog lights, and some more lights here. I think there's too many lights in front, bro. That's me personally. But if I take this off right here, then I'm so high I'm gonna have to take this bar off for the sun, man. Something just don't look right. So it don't look right. Or I don't want to change the bumper, because if I change the bumper, I hit change all this. I don't want to do that, bro. I just don't want to. But look at my signal lights with them. I put them joints in good. Huh? I put those joints in good, man. You had that, that jump was so easy, bro. All you had to do, put them joints right there in. Screw everything back. Hey, that's the fender right here. That joint goes so hard, man. That joint goes so hard. I had to do all that. You know what I'm saying? But boy, this is what I need wired up to my headlights right here. See that right there? I gotta get this wired up to my headlights. So I'll probably let one of the boys at the shop do that. Cause I want it right. I ain't got time to pick no electric, man. Burn my truck up, then I'll be worried then. I'm gonna be worried, but I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be worried. Sure gonna be worried. But that's all you had to do, man. Put some tires. And this jump right here was so much easier than the ones I took off, bro. I'm telling you, bro. That 2024 stuff, man, come in handy. It ain't gonna count to you. But yeah, man, I took that off. Got that right, but I don't know what we're gonna do about these lights, man. Right in there. I take all my battery posts off my cars, man, because I know I ain't gonna be driving it. So I take all my battery posts off. So y'all just bear with me, alright? Just bear with me. Got the key. See what we got. We got all lights on. Alright, we ain't gonna start yet, so I'll do something different. That battery might be all the way dead, man. I'm gonna try that right there. Got another guy. Might be that. I don't know, man. It's just clicking. Just clicking. I don't know what's going on. Might be the battery. It might have went dead on me, y'all. It don't supposed to, because I had this over here. Oh. It don't supposed to go dead. But I do know that much. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the jumpers on it. Yeah. I'm gonna put jumper cables on it, man. And see what we got from there. This right here is supposed to store it. That's supposed to start, but I don't know what's going on. Got all that in there. I know my oil's got been checked out right there. I got the oil change probably about last time I put the truck out. I think I need a jump, bro. See, y'all see what I'm saying? This the part, that rubber part right there. I gotta get this right here, man. Look at it. So I messed my Jeep up. And I got the water coming into my Jeep, bro. All up in here. So I gotta change this. I gotta change that, bro. Look how it's messing up my door. I gotta change all that, bro. Yep. I wonder what this This right here, Jeep says 1941. That when they started making Jeeps or what? I never knew what this sign was though. Since 1941. Oh, is that when they first started making the Jeeps or what? I don't know. I don't know. I'm about to see what I got now for this Impala. Because Impala be acting up too. Look, John dead. Crazy, bro. That's crazy. So the Impala and the Impala and the Jeep dead. That's crazy. Both of them dead. And they come right over here and put this key in. Once she put this key in, it don't lock up. I came right in here and lock the key up. Boy, I'm silly, boy. I'm a silly dude. I'm silly now, I ain't lying. Silly dude. Came right over here and put the key right in the car, and then the key stuck. See, like I was saying with this right here, I gotta take so much R, man. I took this bar off one time before. I tried to take the battery out, but I had to take all the water pump. I had to take all this off and some more stuff, bro, just to get this battery out, man. And when I got the battery out, the other battery I had, it was too big. So I'm like, damn. So now I gotta get another battery, man, so we can start this going dead process, man, because this right here for the birds, man. This for the birds. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to grab one of the cars, man, and jump this battery. That's what I'm gonna have to do, man, because I ain't got my what's called my extension cord. If I had my extension cord, then I could use the extension cord and run my battery charge out here. But I don't have one. I don't know. I don't have no, bro. I'm about to jump these cars real fast, man. Go ahead and jump these guys. I was debating what kind of mode I had in this car, bro. Cause dude, one of my boys was looking for a 3800, no 35, no 3800, and I think this a 35. No, he was looking for a 3500. I think this a 38. One or the other. But this motor here, I only got about 60,000 or something, probably about 64,000 miles on it. This car right here got low mileage, like I don't know what, bro. I know I got to change the oil in it though. Change the oil in it soon. This guy right here, this motor right here in the Jeep probably got about 160. Got about 162. Cause it had, let me see, when I got the truck, it had like 120. It had like 120,000 miles on it. Oh, look. Yo, these the same motors, bro. That's crazy. I thought Dodge made Jeep. So why this motor inside a Chevy? Oh no, this is crazy right here, bro. Oh no, it may not be the same motor. It may not. Then again, it may be because that 6.3 and the V6. That's a VVT. Bro, I think them the same motors, bro. Y'all comment below, let me know if these same motors or not, bro. Cause I'm confused now. Cause I thought this right here was a Dodge. Motor, bro. I really did thought this was Dodge. And this right here, I thought this was Chevy motor. So what they doing? Y'all think they could pulling out leads, bro? Cause I think these the same motors, bro. I ain't gonna count. They just turned a different way. Hold on, let me check everything out. Alright, I got the alternator on this side right here. Alternator back right there. Where the alternator at over here? I had to take this off and see all that. That's crazy right here, man. This might be the same, but I just probably just turned a different way, man. They put a different top on it. I don't know. I ain't no mechanic, bro. I ain't no mechanic, so y'all got to comment below, let me know something, man. So I won't be thinking crazy. Cause I could have sworn this was a Dodge motor. Yep. Good swan. Let me go ahead and jump this jump real fast. Hold on. Alright, so I got jumper cables on. I got jumper cables on the Impala, man. Let's see how long this is gonna take. Let's see how long this is gonna take to charge, man. See, right now, since I got the battery on charge, I can get the key out. Look, 63,000 miles. So look, y'all. Y'all thought I was capped, didn't it? 63,000 miles in the car, man. The crazy part, man, I'm about to get rid of the Impala, man. I'm about to get rid of the Impala. I'm trying to get a diesel truck, man, because I need a diesel bad for that RV. I need one bad, man, because that RV we about to do something different with that RV, bro. Y'all just don't know. If y'all know me by now, man, y'all know I'm a hustler, bro. I'm a hustler, man. I'm gonna get things done in the means. You feel me? So we're gonna bring that big 250 home. Bring that big 250 home. We're gonna trade the Impala in. I hate to trade the Impala in. I'm gonna see how I keep both of them, because I do need a car, a low-key car, a car I can get out the way with. You see what I'm saying? I really do. I do need a. Y'all hear that noise? All them Impala I heard her do that, yo. Everybody that say they got an Impala joint do that. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna close the door so this junk can charge like it's supposed to. But yeah, I'm about to get rid of the Impala, man. I'm gonna try to keep it, man, cause like ain't nothing. Let me see. I owe probably like a few bands. I owe like a few bands on that Impala, bro. A few bands on it, bro. I'm like probably about four something. Cause I got the Impala for my credit, man. Run my credit up and down. See what I'm saying? So yeah, about 4 bands on it. 4 bands, that's gonna be paid off. So that's why I was thinking about keeping it and just go ahead add the 4 bands to the diesel truck. You see what I'm saying? So I go ahead and pay both for them more. Well, we're gonna see though, man. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, man. I might let the junk go. Might just let it go get the diesel, man. I don't know. Might just get it, man. I don't know, bro. But I just know I need a diesel. I need a diesel bad, bro. I need a diesel bad. I'm talking about bad. This on bad. I need it. I want to dually, but I don't think the bank gonna qualify me for a dually, man. Cause like the bank, that when it comes to them trucks, man, the bank deal with a certain weight class. You feel me? And I think that dually is in a different class. And my bank don't deal with them. You see what I'm saying? But probably Navy Federal or somebody like that, you probably get a loan through, say, from them and get the truck. See, I'm with state employees, so they don't do that. They don't need to do business loan, no business accounts, and none of that. So actually, I might have to go through the other bank, my business account or whatnot, and get the truck. So we're gonna see, man. Cause I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to show y'all something different, bro. I'm about to show y'all something that I never done before, but I've been working on it. You see what I'm saying? I've been working on it, man. I'm about to show y'all how to run this business credit. You see what I'm saying? Instead of using your own personal credit on things, we're gonna use the business. We're gonna use the business credit, yo. And we're gonna pay everything with the business credit. You see what I'm saying? That right there gonna run your business credit up to 700, 800 numbers. You see what I'm saying? That's where you want to be at with your credit. That's definitely where you want to be. And when you play with your numbers, you don't want to play with your numbers and you drop below 650. You feel me? Because once you get below 650, it get difficult. It get difficult to fix your credit, man. Cause like I've been repairing my old credit probably about 3-4 years. So I really I know how to do it a little bit. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, man. I'm not gonna physically show y'all, but I'm gonna just throughout the steps that I go through, I'm gonna be telling y'all what I done to get the truck. You see what I'm saying? So y'all just stay tuned, bro. I'm gonna give y'all some knowledge, bro. Let me see what this car doing. Give y'all some knowledge, bro. I want everybody to win. Oh, the power just started. That power just started up, y'all. Yes, sir. Ain't smoking or not. I don't know why I ain't get that cold start. Yes, sir. I got the Impala charging in the Jeep now. I gotta change the oil. I ain't changed the oil in this car. Cause I ain't been driving the car. All like change the sun ain't even look good in here, don't it? Look, still look new. Look new in it. All for low key. I love that Impala low key, bro. I ain't don't care. I love that Impala. Let's see what we got. That bitch won't start for nothing. That Jeep acting crazy today, man. When I had everything right, I don't know what's going on. Oh. Everything should work now. Should work now, man. Yep. Everything should work now, man. AC and heat working the Impala and all. Yeah, man, I ain't been driving the car, bro. Look at it. Sealing everything clean. Ain't nothing hanging in there. I gotta get these folks this car, bro. I don't need this car. I'm gonna get them folks this car, bro, because I don't need it. The car is in my way, bro. I don't need it. I know why I got it, but I shouldn't got it. I know I'm about to steal some AC, though. Steal some AC while that truck charging. Yep. Look at my L's right there. I'm looking for these. I'm looking for my driver's license, man. I needed them joints. Hear that noise. That noise crazy in this Impala, but everybody I talked to, man, they said they had the same problem, bro. They had the same problem. That noise. So we're gonna sit here and let that Jeep charge up a little bit, start that up. Take both cars around the block, man. That would be it for me. I got set up for tomorrow. Tomorrow I gotta go get that RV, man, and take that junk to I'm gonna take it to my mom's house so I can get help gutting out. Come on, Noahs. Man. Already hot. I'm talking way hot, boy. It's hot out that door. There we go. Oh, this all got something making another noise. I think it might be getting worse, man. We need to go ahead and get that fixed, bro. Go ahead and get that ticket nose fixed, man. Oil change, and battery. That's all we need on this Impala. That ticket nose, oil change, and that battery, man. Be good. On the Jeep, I gotta get I'm gonna change the battery again. I don't change the battery about 2 times. I'm gonna put another battery in there and get that signal lights right, and I'm gonna make a decision, or I'm gonna keep all them lights or not. Cause somebody got them lights got to go. I think it's too many lights, bro. I'd rather have, instead of them big circle lights in the middle, I'd rather take them off and just keep my fog lights to the bottom. So I got to get them red back up, man. Cause whoever had the truck before me, rigged the junk up different. They got the fog lights hooked up to the middle lights, man. I don't know how they done that, but I'm gonna just get everything wired up properly. Cause I think it's too many lights up there. But I could take them lights in the middle and put on top of the Jeep. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I just don't want them lights right there in front of my grill, man. Too many lights. There's too many lights to have that junk in my grill. Then I got the pod lights right there. I got the pod lights, the signal light, the headlights. Them joints right there, the fall. It's too many lights. There's way too many lights, and I gotta take them lights off, bro. Take the light. Hold on, let me see what I got. I'm just talking to y'all guys, man. Let me see what the Jeep doing. Hold on. The Jeep crazy, man. Acting difficult today. I had my lights break. Should start. Ooh. Oh yeah. Boy, started up. So I got both of these guys started, y'all. Both of them started. Got both vehicles started, man. Now it's time to hit some blocks. I'm gonna take the Impala first. Take the Impala because the Impala was already started. Hold this guy down, so when I get back, all I gotta do is jump his vehicle. Alright, I jump in the Impala, man, take the block, take the Impala for a spin. Take this Impala for a spin, you guys. Yeah, man. I take the Impala for a spin. Like, it's a good car now, don't get me wrong. It's a good highway car. Like a car you want to take trips with. This Impala it. I should raffle the car off. That's what I should do. What I should do is just mount it up and raffle that junk off. That's what I should do. Impala be moving, bro. It be moving though. But the crazy part, it only maxed out at 112. The car only maxed out at 112, bro. Cause I think they got a governor on it. It was like I think this car was a police car or something like that. A deputy car or something. But it got a what's called on it. Hold on. Right here, my Impala, man. I love my Impala. I love my Impala, man. I love my Impala. Now I gotta get this Jeep out of here. Get this Jeep out of here. Get this Jeep out of here, man. Let this run till I come back. Big boy. Let this run till I come back. You got that though. Hold on. Alright, about to jump in the Jeep now. Hope I ain't locked the key up. glad that truck got AC. Whew. Look how the junk got my door messed up, bro. I don't like that junk, man. Look in there. That junk leaking bad, bro. I gotta get that junk fixed. Leaking all in my truck. It don't leak over here. It's just on that side over there. Just on that side. Ain't nothing like the Jeep. I ain't lying, bro. Ain't nothing like it. Ain't nothing like the Jeep. And when you see other Jeeps, you gotta hit them like this right here. You gotta hit them like that while you driving. See what I'm saying? That's the code. Like this Jeep ain't fast at all now. So don't think you're gonna get in this Jeep and just take off like a Hellcat, cause this ain't the one that got the big motor. This a V6. Then she struggled bad with these mud tires. Like it's ride, but this ain't nothing you want to go 100 with. Like she ain't going no 100. She gonna go it, but that ain't no good ride. You feel me? This Jeep do not supposed to be speeding unless you got that Hellcat, that 392 in your joint. You feel me? This truck right here don't have it. This truck right here just a V6, man. That's a V6. That's a V6 right here. Hold on, bro. I'm going to see what the boys be racing at too. Cause I be hearing the boys wide open. Dirt bikes, four-wheelers, car, they be racing everything down here, bro. I'm not gonna see right now. I'm just being nosy, that's it. Just being nosy. Put your seatbelt on there, Phil. Alright, I see some scary mods right there, but I'm going to the finish line. I'm going to the starter line. I'm going to the starter line. Hold on. Got RVs posted up. I see a whole lot of bike mods. See a lot of bike mods out here. Hold on. Yeah, so this is what they be at racing right here. They start off right here, look at the scare mob. Look at it. So they start right here and go back down. This got to be the starting line. And this is where all the mods at. Look at it. That's all the mods at right here. Motorcycle mods. All them motorcycle mods right there. All them motorcycle mods. Yeah. Moving down here. I'm about to start pulling up down here too. You can tell though. You can tell this the road. You can tell this the race road. So I think probably Thursday, bro, they gonna be down here. They gonna be down here about Thursday. Look at the cans and stuff. You can tell they be down here partying. Look at the cans and stuff. Look here. This the starting line. That's where everybody be at right here. Look over there. That's where everybody be at right here. All them cans and bottles. Starting to look at that line. I'm like, ooh. Burning out bad. That gotta be the road though. Yeah, I see the Mars, man. So we're gonna pull up on the boys one day, man. They might let me record it, may not. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, man, cause I don't want to make the boys hot. I definitely don't want to do that. I don't want to make the boys hot down there, man, cause some people be eating off that racing, man. That's their weekly income. You see what I'm saying? And you don't want to mess up none of that. If anything you want to join, bro. I'm about to park my Jeep back, man. Whew. Feel good driving this guy, man. I probably pull him out cursing. A lot of people think he gone, but he ain't. He ain't gone. He's still here. The Jeep still here. The Jeep paid for full in cash. The Jeep ain't going nowhere. The only thing I got is the Impala. I told you I done that for my credit. Done that for my credit, man. What more y'all want me to do? I'm telling y'all everything, bro. I'm telling y'all how to move with your credit and your business credit. You see what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all how to move, bro. It's up to you to listen and take your steps and get your credit and stuff right, man. It's up to you, bro. Because if you don't, you can be running off your personal credit, and it's only so much you can do with your own personal credit. It's 2 credit lines better than 1. I'm just saying like that. 2 credit lines better than 1. That means you could double your you could double everything you want. House, car, anything. You could double anything materialistic. You could go get a bag. If you go get a loan or something, that's a bag right there. Go get 10, 20 bands easy. But you know you gotta pay it back. So you might want to take that 10, 20, invest in something else, then pay that joint back. That's what you might want to do. That's what I would do. See what I'm saying? I can't tell you how to spend your money though. But right now, I'm gonna get me a diesel truck. I gotta have a diesel, man. And pay that junk off so fast. Pay it off about 2-3 years. 2-3 years it should be paid off. Might be quicker than that. Cause I like to try to double up on my payments and stuff, man. And when you double up on your payments and stuff, man, it look good for you. Look real good for you. So right now, at this moment, I'm about to turn this truck off and see what it start back up. If it start back up, then it's good. If not, then I'm just go ahead and get another battery because the battery's done. You feel me? Take that, go get a core and all this and that. You know how it go. But let's see what to do though. About to turn off right now. I about to turn the Jeep off. Let's see what we got. I about to start it back up. The battery ain't no good, y'all. The battery ain't no good, or the battery approach. I think it's the battery approach. Alright, back to the Impala. Ooh, this guy feel good. He said feel good in here, boy. Whew. We about to put the Impala back up, man. Like I said, I just wanted to start these guys up because I ain't started them up in a minute. And I ain't started these guys up in a minute, bro. That's something I want to do. So right now I'm about to turn it off and see what we got. Ooh, right back. The battery, man, the battery on this Impala, bro. Like, it's bad. It's bad, but it go dead probably about 3-4 days, man. 3-4 days you're gonna do a jump. Other than that, she can keep starting every time. Every time she can keep firing, bro. Firing rate up bad every time. Every time. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and get 2 batteries. I'll probably set the other battery up until I need it. Yeah, cause if I don't, then when I need it, they ain't gonna have nothing. So I might just go ahead and get it and set it up. I got that from my pops, man. Go ahead and get the stuff while you got the money, cause when you ain't got the money, that's when you really need stuff. You see what I'm saying? So you go ahead and buy stuff while you got the cash, man. You be good. You be good, bro. You be good. I'm about to go ahead, man. I'm about to go ahead and take the battery pros off the Jeep and this Impala, man. I'm about to see. I don't know, bro. About to do something else, man. I probably go check my S10 out. My S10. Then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go to the shop, check my bubble out and my Vit. Go to the other shop, check my pickup truck and my boss and my fin out. Then I gotta go to the other garage. I gotta move. I forgot. I gotta go pick up that motor too. I gotta go pick up the motor and them seats. I might do that tomorrow. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Then go borrow the RV again. So we get that ball started. I got a lot going on, man. I got a lot going on, bro. So don't think I ain't busy, cause I am. I got a lot going on, bro. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. A lot. I got something to keep busy every day, bro. Every day I can make a video. I supposed to make a video. I gotta make a video. You feel me? I'm telling you. Yeah, man. I wash my hands and that stuff. Trying to get my hands messed up. But yeah, man. Got them tucked away, man. I'm probably about to head to my S10 and get that started. So I might tune in when I get over to the S10. If not, then I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. But for all my newcomers, like I said at the beginning, man, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, man. Turn all the notification bells on, man, so you get all the latest videos. Subscribers, I appreciate all the love and support, man. We're going crazy this year, man. We're going crazy. When I say we're going crazy, we're going crazy. And make sure y'all comment 4,000 comments, man, so y'all could enter this drawing, man, because when I get 4,000 subscribers, I'm pulling 2 or 3 names. I'm pulling 2 or 3, man. So y'all won't be part of the drawing, man. Just comment 4,000, bro. Comment 4,000 below. Make sure you're a subscriber and pass the word. That's all you gotta do to join the drawing, man. And I'm gonna make sure I bless somebody with something, bro. It can be something special, bro. And I'm praying we get that 4,000 by December, Christmas time. You see what I'm saying? We get them joints by December, and I can bless somebody with Christmas gifts and whatnot. Yeah, that's how it's gonna play out, though. It's definitely gonna play out like that. So y'all guys, man, y'all might want to comment below, though, man. Go ahead and enter the drawing, man. Comment 4,000 below, man. All my newcomers, make sure you subscribe now. Make sure you subscribe. That automatically put you in the drawing. As soon as you hit the subscribe button, that automatically put you in the drawing. So my newcomers, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it, man. Don't sleep on it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get I'm gonna go ahead and take the pulls off that battery, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these cars up, man. Put the cars back up, man. I get back, all right, bet.